We'll talk in this lesson about DevOps and continuous integration and continuous deployment. Now, we'll start off first, of course, with DevOps. So, what is DevOps? Well, this is a combination of cultural philosophies, practices, and tools that improves an organization's ability to deliver high-velocity applications and services. Now, the term DevOps is derived from development and operations, emphasizing collaboration between developers, IT operations, and even quality assurance in some cases. Now, this diagram illustrates the cyclical nature of the DevOps process, focusing on the principle of continuous improvement and feedback loops. Now, let's go stage by stage. So, in the continuous business planning, DevOps begins with aligning software development with business objectives. So, continuous business planning means always having a strategy in place that evolves based on feedback and changing business needs. So, cloud platform offer tools for business analytics and intelligence to help with this alignment. And then we've got collaborative development. And the core of DevOps lies in collaboration. So developers, operations, and business stakeholders collaborate to create software that meets user needs. So cloud platforms facilitate this by offering collaborative coding environments, shared repositories, and real-time communication tools. Then we've got continuous testing. So instead of having a distinct testing phase, DevOps emphasizes testing throughout the development process. So the cloud plays a pivotal role here by providing automated testing tools and environments that can be spun up or down as needed. And then we've got continuous release and deployment. So once the code passes all tests, it's ready for release. Now, in the DevOps paradigm, releases happen frequently, and the cloud enhances this by offering automated deployment pipelines, ensuring that software is consistently deployed across various environments. Now, after deployments, the application needs to be managed in its live environment, and here we're talking about operate. So cloud technologies here simplify this operation by offering tools for auto scaling, load balancing, and automated resource management. After that, we've got continuous monitoring. So to ensure that applications are running optimally, they must be continuously monitored. So cloud platforms offer advanced monitoring, logging, and alerting tools that provide insights into application health and performance. And then we've got continuous customer feedback and optimization. So DevOps emphasizes the importance of feedback, and in the cloud, tools can collect user feedback, analyze it, and offer insights. And this feedback is then used to optimize the application and plan new features or improvements. Now, steering signifies the ability to make informed decisions and adjustments based on the feedback from any phase of the process. So, in conclusion, the integration of DevOps in a cloud setting amplifies the continuous and collaborative nature of the approach. So the cloud offers tools that make each phase of DevOps more efficient and interconnected. Now let's move on to continuous integration and continuous deployment in the cloud, or CICD. So we'll start off first with continuous integration, or CI, and this is the practice of automatically integrating code changes from multiple contributors into a shared repository several times a day. So each integration can then be verified by automated builds and tests. And continuous deployment, or CD, extends CI, or extends continuous integration by automatically deploying all code changes to a production environment after passing a set of tests. And of course, cloud platforms provide tools and services that enable teams to automate and monitor the continuous integration and continuous deployment pipelines, ensuring that software is always in a deployable state. We can imagine a startup that develops a mobile app, and they utilize a cloud platform for their CI/CD process. So the developers push their code changes to a cloud-based repository like GitHub or Bitbucket. And then once changes are pushed, cloud-based CI tools like Jenkins or Circle CI or Travis CI automatically build and test the application, ensuring there are no issues. And if the build and tests pass, CD tools like AWS or Amazon Web Services Code Deploy or Google Cloud Deploy automatically deploy the application to production environments. And then post-deployment, cloud monitoring tools provide real-time feedback on application performance, which can be used for further refinements. And so in this setup, the startup can focus on developing features while the cloud infrastructure take care of the build, test, and deployment process, ensuring rapid and reliable releases.